Hey guys, welcome back to Python Ninja Bootcamp. In this lecture, we will cover error and exception handling. Let's get started. When Python encounters error while running the code, it stops execution and raises an exception. An exception is a description of what went wrong. Let's see some example to understand the common exceptions. So if I say 1 divided by 0, it will display 0 division error, division by 0. If I say 1 plus string, it will show type error, unsupported operand type. If I say print s, it will return name error, name s is not defined. Now if I say 2 less than 3 and print high, it will display syntax error, invalid syntax. We are getting this error because colon is missing. Let's see the general way of exception handling. So here we have try colon, except colon, else colon, and finally colon. Try block is always run first. Except block is executed when there is an error. Else block is executed when there is no exception in try block. Finally block is always executed no matter what is happening in try, except, and else clause. Students are hereby requested to download the file of this lecture from the description given below. Let's see some example to understand try, except, else, and finally. I'm gonna create a division function. Let's say def division, pass a parameter a comma b. Inside it, I'm gonna say try colon. Inside it, result equal to a by b. Except exception colon, inside it print a message, sorry division is not possible. After that, else colon, print a message, division of a and b comma result. If I call the division function and pass 1, 0 as a parameter, it will return sorry division is not possible.
Sir, could you please elaborate why we are getting this output?
Okay class, let's go ahead and understand what's happening here. On function call, we pass 1 and 0 as a parameter. Then a and b get initialized with the value 1 and 0 respectively. Next, the statement inside the try clause is executed. The value of result becomes 1 divided by 0, which is not possible, and this generates the error. Then the except clause is executed and display the message, sorry division is not possible. Now instead of this user defined message, we can generate custom error. So I'm gonna say as e after exception and print a message e. If I check out the output now, it will display division by 0. Now what if I pass 1 comma string? It will display unsupported operand types for string and integer. Custom error is better because we don't have to keep the track of generated error. Now if I pass 1 comma 2, it will return division of a and b equal to 0.5. Let's go ahead and understand why else block executed in this case. On function call, we pass 1 and 2 as a parameter, then a and b gets initialized with the value 1 and 2 respectively. Next, the statement inside the try clause is executed. The value of result becomes 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.5. Since no exception is generated, so it skipped the except block and executed the else block. It displays the message division of a and b equal to 0.5. Now moving towards the last part, that is finally clause. I'm gonna say finally colon and print a message executing finally block. Now if I pass 1 comma 2, it will return division of a and b equal to 0.5 and executing finally block. Now if I pass 1 comma 0, again it will display executing finally block. It means no matter what the parameter is, it will always execute the finally clause. That's all about error and exception handling. See you in the next lecture. Students, subscribe करें SN Gurukul channel को. Press the bell icon to see the latest tutorial. Comment करें to give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Next video में हम cover करेंगे Q&A 5th. Till then, practice and thank you for watching.